In this video, we will perform printer deep cleaning for Canon TS5340a printer. Click OK to start the menu. Use the down arrow to select maintenance. Click OK. Use the down arrow to select deep cleaning. Click OK. Click OK to start the function. This is from printer control panel. Same function can be started from the PC. Open settings, Bluetooth and devices, printers and scanner. Select the printer name, printing preferences, maintenance and preferences, deep cleaning, start.